Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're doing an unboxing on the Taboit power strip. This is a patented waterproof and shockproof power strip with surge protection, electric shock proof, sparking arc proof, overload protection, and high level flame retardance. I guess it says up to, I believe it was like 1300 degrees or something like that, which is crazy. Anyways, grab this from Amazon. It runs about $27. I'll leave that link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. Also, when I finish the review, the product review of this video, I'll leave that link in the description below as well. So what we have here in the box is important safety instructions. Maybe they're important enough to read. So this doesn't take, do not soak this product entirely in water when used, probably a good idea. Do not exceed the rated output of 1500 watts. Plug A, type A is not applicable. Do not disassemble. Do not tie up the input cord when in use. Do not soak this product entirely in water when used. Okay. Can be used outdoor. IPX, it's IP rating ×4, which is, can't be submerged, but all right, so there's different IP ratings for levels of waterproofness. So this features 3 plugins here. On-off switch. It says it's made out of ABS materials. Should be fairly sturdy. This has a 6-foot power cord. It does not have the little, some have little silicone things on the bottom so they don't slip around, or does it have, okay, so also it has little outlets or holes here at the top and the bottom. You could affix that to the wall if you wanted to using screws. I kind of like it that there instead of on the bottom, because some have them on the bottom and you put your screws in there and it's kind of hard to get it on there just right and make sure it fits. So I like this idea of where you can see where your screws are going if you want to attach that to the wall or something, or under your desk or wherever. So it does only have 3 outlets, no USB ports. These appear to be, give you enough room to put the bigger plugs in there and stuff like that. The main thing is, I think, is the security on these, or like in as far as shock resistance and heat resistance and things like that. So I'm kind of excited to check this one out and see. It's got touch protection. Stuff like that, so it shouldn't, even if water falls in here or the kids are putting tweezers in there or something, it shouldn't activate or have any power there. So I'll be checking that out. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, my friends. Appears to be a fairly sturdy device here. Like I said, the cord is 6 feet long, according to the little website here. I will be doing that review video soon. I'll try to leave that link in the description below. So yeah, it's the wingspan there of about a 6-foot wingspan. So that's definitely a 6-foot cord. All right, my friends, I will be seeing you soon. Everyone have a great day out there. Take care, and we'll see you later.